Welcome back to my channel. The secrets of my beauty. Face mask for whitening skin.
Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of yogurt and 1 tablespoon of ground coffee. You can add 5 drops of almond oil or jojoba oil. Mix all ingredients together.
How to apply it. First, clean your face and dry it. Now you can apply it for 15 minutes and then rinse with water. After that, use your moisturizer. Coffee grounds act as a natural exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells, dirt, and impurities that can clog pores and lead to dullness. This process can leave the skin feeling smoother and brighter. Yogurt can help reduce the appearance of dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and brighten the overall complexion. Almond oil can hydrate, moisturize, and help repair the skin, while also reducing signs of aging and improving overall complexion. Additionally, it can help with acne, dark circles, and eczema. This remedy will brighten your complexion and reduce the pigmentation and dark spots. So use it regularly to see magnificent results. Try this recipe at home. Please leave your comment below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.